Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please watch this.
If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest update. Or you can message me in my WhatsApp and Viber at 0927-472-4976. Or you can chat me in my messenger at Reynaldo Jr. Pundulan Miliada to get the latest update.
Good morning everyone. Today is January 19, 2021 and I will be showing you our master plan for the Anyana Clubhouse. Very exciting. Hindi pa ito nakikita at ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong ating clubhouse sa and here we go. Alright, so this is the clubhouse of Anyana. So here we go. So congratulations to all Anyana and Antel, Anyana Bel Air Villages lot owner, because you have this massive clubhouse which is very nice. Look at that, guys. It's a white sand, then with the clubhouse, in the parking dito sa likuran, and of course this road, no, it is a connecting road from Bel Air West, and the other one is the Bel Air Drive. That's the Bel Air Drive, which mayroon siyang island sa gitna, and of course mayroon siyang church, and I will be showing you also the church. What is the theme of the church now? Wow guys, this is the church of Anyana, which ito yung unang gagawin po ni Anyana Antel Tanza. Look at this. This is a very special because ang unang gagawin is the church. Then after ng mga kalsada. So ito yung kauna-unahang structure na gagawin po ni Anyana Antel Tanza. And of course, kung makikita niyo po yung ating the Sunset Boulevard. And also, I will be showing you the country clubhouse, the pool area. Wow guys, this is very nice. This is a one-of-a-kind pool which is exclusive lang siya for Anyana and Bel Air property owner. Alright. Diba? Ang ganda. Right here, dito ako ngayon sa ng Antel Grand Village. This is the site office of Anyana. And every time na magre-reserve ng property dito lang po ginagawa, and even the documentation dito siya ginagawa. So counseling, kailangan all brokers and agents are not allowed to receive pay for the sake ng safety ng account ng clients. So ayan, iniiwasan namin. So we are practicing legal practices talaga para syempre iwas din po tayo. Alright, diba? I promise na today na I will be sending or uploading a tutorial video para doon sa ating mga buyers. And of course, dito guys sa Anyana, sa Antel, lagi tayong naka-face shield because this is our required.